Welcome to Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. My name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And on the show today, I have a lot to share with you, and we're still going to take a look at all this chart, all this token you can see right here to know if you still need to hold on to it, or you need to sell them, or you need to get into the market if you're not already in the market. And you know we're going to come to the chart analysis later, so you don't want to go nowhere. Sit back and relax while you enjoy today's show. All right, before we move on to the news, like we normally check before we check the cryptocurrency market cap and also what the event looks like today. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. It's Crypto 101 on YouTube. Subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can always get the juicy content when I drop it immediately. Also, you can follow up on X, where I drop so much information regarding BTC and other cryptocurrency at large. You can follow me on Facebook, also on Instagram, and as well on TikTok to get some of the nuggets we are dropping for you on this great platform. So please, if you're not subscribed, do that right now. You can follow us on all our social media and be part of the greatness happening on this channel. All right, we're not going to take a look at the chart now. We'll take a look at the chart later. First of all, right now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a look at the news that are making the radar. And the first news that caught my eyes this morning is Bitcoin on track for $275,000. Analysts cite cup and handle formation. Even before they see the cup and handle formation, I've always been saying it on my show that I believe BTC is going to hit 250,000 US dollars between 250 to 400,000 US dollar in this cycle, and I believe that will happen between now and April, May, June next year. That's 2025, and before we're gonna see the top of the cycle, and we're gonna see people now removing their money down to altcoins and all those other things. And speaking of altcoins and all those other coins that are launching every day, please and please beware of this. This is the next thing I want to share with you. New crypto scam uses fake influencer account to lure victim into Telegram malware trap. Please and please, we're in the bull run now. We're in the top of the game. You'll be seeing different things coming out of the internet. Please make sure you do your own research before you partake in any project, or rather watch this show every day or DM me to ask, please, can you help me check this coin out and all of that. I will do the work for you because that is why I'm here. I will help you check if you need to get into those projects or not. And you can do your own research too to know. Check the roadmap, look the people behind the project, and look at their vision, their mission, if it's going to align with what you believe in. If it doesn't, then please stay out of it, because a lot of fake crypto tokens will be launching, and they're just going to rug you and take your money. Please be careful of that, as we are in the bubble and this frenzy zone of BTC crossing 100K. Also, another news on the radar is now Pudgy Penguins NFT now worth more than 1 BTC, because one Pudgy Penguin NFT is now trading at 103 to 105. And I told you NFT time is still gonna come back. You guys just need to be careful. I'm still gonna share NFTs and all of that when they start making waves on this show. But Project Penguin is now worth more than BTC, and I told you they're launching their token very soon. You might want to check that out. Make sure you do your own research, and please always invest with the money you can afford to lose. All right, let's check another news on the radar. Dogecoin, XRP, Solana rises as Bitcoin retakes 100K. We all know Bitcoin pushed back to 100K yesterday, and probably we're going to see it continue today. But don't worry, we're going to check the chart to see if you need to buy or you need to wait. We're going to see on the chart segment shortly. All right, let's check another news on the radar. You can see XRP surged 7% post regulatory approval, while well deposit in as market shift before inflation data. You know, we had the CPI yesterday that came out of the fundamental news. You understand? And now XRP, you know, they're talking about the regulation and all of that. And I'm not going to lie to you, XRP community or the XRP army, they've been doing the most. So just make sure the project is a success. Let's check one more news before we check out the event of the day. Now, another news here is Link AAV rocket past 30% as Trump's World Liberty Financial buys 2 million US dollar token. You can see we have the president-elect Donald Trump on the radar today again as its Liberty Financial buys $2 million worth of token in three. I think it's in three asset: Link, AAV, and ETH. Also, let's take a look at another news. This is coming out of Canada. Vancouver City Council green light exploring Bitcoin in municipality finance. I told you it's just a matter of time. These people are going to join us, and you are not late, because if you get in now, by the time they come in, we are going to what? We are going to make it. All right, let's check another news from BlackRock. BlackRock and Fidelity ETFs purchases 500 million worth of ETH in the past 2 days. Wow, that's great inflow to ETH. But we're going to check ETH chart out shortly to know if that has helped Ethereum to move past where we are thinking the resistance is been pushing it back, which is around that 4K38 thereabout. But we're going to check the charts now, and I will share my own opinion, and also with my years of experience I will let you know if you need to buy or not. Remember, it's not financial advice anyway, it's just for educational purpose, and because of my years of experience in the game, I can be able to predict or make analysis and be right about 90% to 99%, if you agree with me. All right, let's check one more news before we now check the economic calendar out. Now, Senator Committee plan to vote, Senator Committee's planned vote to confirm SEC Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw is up in the air following a pushback. You know, we have an issue with the SEC talking about Gary Gensler that is probably going to step out, is going to leave that post because we now have a post-crypto president, which is the president-elect Donald Trump. And we know he has listed or nominated some names, but we can see what the senator are planning to do. These are more we're still going to be sharing on this wonderful show with you when the great news come out. And to get more of the news, you might want to follow me on my X, because on X I drop a lot of news for you guys. You can see a lot of news for you to be informed, so you might want to follow my X to get immediate information when it happens immediately. All right, that's on the news for today. Let's now check what the economic calendar looks like today. All right, yesterday we had a CPI, and today what are we expecting? So much news will be coming out of Australia, Europe, United States, and New Zealand, but we're going to take a look at the important ones. And we have employment change from AUD that has come out already. We have monetary policy assessment in China. We got in Swiss francs, and we have in China, we have new loans news coming out. But the important news we should be expecting is around 115 GMT, which is Euro main refinancing rate. Also, their monetary policy statement. Also in Canada, we'll be waiting for the building permit month to month. And now the core PPI will be coming out of United States, and the PPI also month to month will be coming out. And the most important ones, unemployment claims, will be coming out of the United States. So around 130 GMT or UTC, you should be expecting the market to shake a little bit, because the news might affect the market. So make sure you are well equipped. If you want to trade futures, options, and derivatives, but the links to Discord and Telegram are down in the comment section, are down below. Please join there. You can get link for that. But for sport and for sport traders, for investors and all of that, don't worry, I am still going to analyze the chart for you. So these are what we have on the radar today, talking about the news coming out of the fundamental aspect of trading. Now let's go to the crypto market cap to know what it looks like, because we know that BTC has now regained 100k, and see what it looks like, guys. 3.8 trillion US dollars. We're back. We're down to 3.6. I told you, don't worry, we're gonna go up. Now we're back to 3.8, and I told you we are going to celebrate 4 trillion US dollars very, very soon, guys. So this is a good news. We're back to 3.8. Let's check the top 15 cryptocurrency that are making the list. We have BTC at number 1, of course, still remaining nominals. ETH at number 2. Theta at number 3 is a stable coin. Number 4, XRP. Number 5, Solana. Number 6, BNB. Dogecoin at number 7. Cardano at number 8. USDC, another stable coin that Binance is even trying to push, at number 9. And we have number 10, Lido Stake, ETH. We have number 11, Tron. Number 12, Avalanche. Number 13, Chainlink. Number 14, Shiba Inu. Also number 15, Ton Coin, and the list goes on. You might want to check 1 to 100, 200, even 1,000 on CoinGecko if you are interested to knowing what the list looks like. All right, that's that on the economic calendar and the cryptocurrency market cap. You can see all the tokens that are trending and the large gainers of the day or for the past 24 hours. Now let's dive into what you all has been waiting for, which is the chart analysis. But before I do that, if you're still watching the show till this time, thanks for supporting me and thanks for grabbing the information. Please subscribe to the channel. It's CryptoBit101. If you've not subscribed, this is the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment in general. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get the juicy content when I drop it immediately. Thanks for that. All right, let's go into the chart right now and see what is going on. Right now, this is what the chart looks like. On BTC, yesterday, if you watched the show yesterday, I told you BTC is still a buy. And I even informed you that if you're not in BTC already, if you cross 100, if you cross 98,300, you can buy. So is BTC still a buy to now? Yes, it's a buy. But our stop loss has now changed. This is now our stop loss. 95,700 is now our new stop loss. So Bitcoin is still a buy. I told you to buy yesterday, it's still a buy. Even since last week, I told you still a buy. I was saying until we break below this 90k, that's when I can say BTC is a sell. Right now, is this still a buy? Yes, BTC is a buy. You can get into it and hold some coin, but you need to sell if it crosses 95,695 price, if the market goes below that. So BTC is still a buy. Let's check ETH out. ETH, of course, is a buy. I told you yesterday, if ETH should cross 3,779, you should buy. You can see we've crossed it. ETH is a buy. But now, where's our stop loss? Our stop loss is now here. Stop loss for ETH is now 3,558. That is where you need to sell if ETH should cross out. Let's check another altcoin, which is Solana. Solana is now a buy. You can see where I put it. I said if Solana should cross 221, you should get into the market. So you can see all my predictions are right, guys. It's a buy. Let's check another one out, which is XRP. XRP, I said if you cross 2.4, you can see where you see the green is where I told you to get in. So XRP is a buy. Where is the stop loss for XRP? This is now the stop loss for XRP. 2.2 is now where you need to sell your XRP. Let's check another altcoin now. Let's check AAVE. AAV, you can see AAV is a buy, and you can see where I told you to get into AAV at 288. I told you if you cross 288, it's a buy now, but the stop loss is now here now. The stop loss, when I mean the stop loss, that's where you need to sell as an investor or as a spot trader. So AAVE is still a buy. Let's check out Avalanche. Avalanche 2 is now a buy. You can see I told you get into Avalanche if you cross 46 yesterday. Avalanche is a buy, but the stop loss has changed. You need to sell Avalanche if Avalanche should break this point. If Avalanche should come and break that point, which is for the $50, you need to sell Avalanche. You can see all where I told you to get into the market, they play in nicely, and that's why you don't need to joke with this show, because I am always right when it comes to spot trading, investment, and all of that. When it comes to derivative options and future trading, join the Telegram or join the Discord channel. That is where that one happened. But on this show, it's all about investors, spot traders that buy and hold, you understand, and that is what this is all about. So Avalanche is still a buy. All right, let's check Toncoin. Let's check Toncoin. Let's check Toncoin. I told you Toncoin is a sell yesterday, so this is where we're supposed to get into Toncoin. So we missed that because maybe I didn't analyze Toncoin yesterday, but Toncoin now is a buy. And where is the stop loss? This is the stop loss. So Toncoin is a buy now, guys, and that is the stop loss. Basically, most of all these altcoins are now a buy, and where I told you to get in, they've now crossed it. Anywhere you see my green, that is where I told you to get in, and you can watch my video yesterday to confirm, to know that is not preset or it's where I put it. If you watch my show yesterday, you see that it remained the way it was since yesterday. Now let's go into some meme coins and check what is going on with the meme coin. First of all, let's start with Dogecoin. Dogecoin, I told you yesterday, I said Dogecoin is a sell. I told you Dogecoin is a sell. But now, we now have a confirmation for a buy for Dogecoin. Now, you can get into Dogecoin now, and your stop loss now is here. So, you can buy Dogecoin now and put your stop loss at 0.37. You can get into Dogecoin back now, but you can sell it when you see the market drop below 0.37. Let's take a look at another meme coin, which is Pepe. I told you yesterday Pepe is not a buy, that we need a structure. That's what I told you yesterday, that Pepe is not a buy. You can see I didn't put the green line anywhere. I left it the way it was. Now, but is it a buy now? Yes, you can buy some Pepe now. And where is your stop loss? Your stop loss is now there. So you can get into Pepe now, but put your stop loss at 0.000215. Let's take a look at 2 or 3 more altcoins. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, you can see Shiba Inu. I told you if you cross above 0.27, it's a buy. So Shiba Inu still remain a buy. Now, where do we need to put our stop loss? Our stop loss is now right there. Our stop loss is at 0.026. That is where we have our stop loss. Let's take a look at X. Let's take a look at X. I told you X was a sell, and now is X now a buy? Yes, X is now a buy. You can buy X now if you're interested in trading X, but make sure you sell it if it crosses below 0.00018. Let's take a look at one more dogs. Let's take a look at dogs. Let's take a look at dogs. I told you yesterday dogs is a buy, but now dogs 2 is now I told you yesterday dogs was a sell, but now dogs is now a buy, and that is the stop loss. So you can see all the predictions are right, and I'm correct when it comes to prediction. But mind you, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, and also know that these analyses are for spot traders, people that buy and hold. These are for investors that invest in it and all of that. If you want to trade derivatives, options, and future tradings where it is margin, you use leverage, please join my Telegram. It's free of charge, or join my Discord channel, free of charge, and you can be part of that. But for this analysis I'm doing is for people that buy and hold, because you can hold it for 2-3 days, and I'll still give you now, and I'll tell you you can now sell. Then you sell, you put a stop loss where you tell the market to sell for you. So these are all the altcoins, bitcoins, and meme coins I'm going to analyze for you on the show today. Please, if you have any other project or any other token you want me to analyze for you, or you're confused if you need to get out of it, comment in the comment section. I'm going to look at it for you, and I'll tell you if you need to get out, or you need to stay in, or you need to buy. All right, it's a tradition on this show. We cannot close the show, end the show without checking the sentiment. And the sentiment today is looking extreme greed. So be expecting a lot of volatility in the market. Yesterday was greed, but today is now extreme greed. Last week extreme greed, last month extreme greed. So on the fear and greed index is sitting on 83, which is extreme greed. So a lot of volatility is going to happen in the market, and you need to be careful. All right, thanks for watching the show. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. It's CryptoBit 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And remember, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of the show, please trade wisely, trade cautiously. Make sure you trade with the money you can afford to lose, because crypto can be too much of volatility and can be dangerous. Until I catch you tomorrow, it's peace out.